Good morning, guys. It's Friday of Labor Day weekend.
Head out to
Blue Angels Campground is a Navy base down there. It's got air conditioning, so we're good. What other adventures? We've been there a long time ago, so probably look around, see what's new. Alright, safe travels. Alright, bye. Hey guys, we just got through the gate at the Blue Angels Campground and we're headed to the actual campground. It's really pretty. First thing you see is the ocean out, or the bay out in front of you. Actually used to be an old airfield back in the 50s to the 70s, I believe. Beach is beautiful, just a few steps down to it. The cabin's really nice and clean. They got really nice bathhouse, and unusually they have like private shower, sink, toilet areas, little rooms for, you know, about 8 of them. So it's really nice to be in there and not be standing around with a bunch of other people. You can see the bay outside of our front door. It's Perdido Bay, and out that's Alabama across the way. They rent sailboats, they have a boat ramp, disc golf, and then there's another beach about a quarter-mile away with a pavilion and lots of picnic tables and stuff. And it's a real good location close to Tarkland Bayou Preserve and Big Lagoon State Park, and that's where we're going to actually go later. Be another video kayaking there. And we're also close to Perdido State Park and Johnson National Seashore. And I'm recording this post-hurricane. Can't remember the name off the top of my head, but a lot of this area suffered damage. Pensacola had some flooding. One of the bridges we went over got knocked out since then, but we really enjoyed the trip and highly recommend Blue Angels Campground. You have access. It is military. All right, thanks for watching.